Hi there. We are going to talk about today how we can calculate area of compound shapes. Before we start, just a quick recap. Area is an amount of space taken up by a shape. We measure area in square units, centimeter squared or meter squared, the most occurring one. And the formula is length times width. So let's have a look at our first example. The question is, how can we calculate the area of this compound shape? I have a little hint for you. Split it into two rectangles because we learned an area of rectangle. So if I split it up into two, on the right side I have a rectangle which has length is 6 centimeter and a width is 4 centimeter. So if I work out the area of this first rectangle is going to be 24 centimeters squared. Okay, now if I work out the second one, or I'm trying to work out, I realize I miss a number. How I can figure out the missing length of this rectangle? Have a look this original rectangle and check it what we did when we split it into two. How long is this part here? I'm sure you know really well it's 6 centimeter. And if you know these two lengths together give me 10, and this one was 6, how I'm going to find out the missing one? 10 subtract 6 gives me 4 centimeters. So now I can find out an area of this rectangle, which is 32 centimeters squared. So now I have an area of both rectangle, and what I have to do, I'm add them up together. So 24 at 32 gives me 56 centimeters squared, the area of this compound shape. Let's see one more example. I have this shape here. Pause the video, give a go, and after I will share with you. Okay, so let's have a look. Again, what I have to do, I have to split it up into two rectangles or any kind of shapes which area you can calculate. Okay, now if you check it again on the right side, I have this rectangle which I know the width, but I don't know the length again. If you check it again, we know this length here is going to be the same than the opposite because we learned about rectangles is 4 meter. So how big would be this side if all together was 9? 9 meter take away 5 meter gives me 4. So now I can work out an area of this rectangle, which is 4 meter times 3 meter, which gives me 12 meters square. And let's give a go for the second one. The second one is length times width. 5 meter times 4 meter gives me 20 meters squared. And what I have to do after, I'm sure you already worked out, add those two areas together to give the area of my compound shapes, which gives us 32 meters square. Thank you for watching.